Hey guys, I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. In today's video, I want to share with you guys some more Dollar Tree fall DIYs, and these have to do with creating your own fall pumpkin style bouquets. And I'm going to share with you 3 different styles that you can do with items from Dollar Tree. And please excuse my voice, I am getting over a cold, so I am losing my voice, so I apologize now. So for the first DIY, I am using this jack-o'-lantern pumpkin style trick-or-treat basket, I guess you can call it. And I purchased this from Walmart for 97 cents. Usually Dollar Tree has them, but I haven't seen them this year, so I got mine at Walmart and it was 3 cents cheaper, so that was great. So what I did with it was I spray painted it white because I wanted it to go with that Farmhouse Glam style that I'm going for, and so I wanted to take the orange away. Now this does have the jack-o'-lantern face, but I will be using this bouquet in a corner so you will not see it. So I'm going to decorate the sides that have the little lines in them, and what I'm going to do to decorate it is I'm going to use some diamond wrap. And I'm just using the one that I got from Dollar Tree, but they also have them at Walmart if you can't find them at Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing now is I'm just measuring the length of the bucket, or the bin, I don't even know what to call this, basket. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use the 4 rows as it is. I'm just going to measure the length that it is, and I'm going to cut it there, and then I'm going to cut it individually in individual strands and kind of do lines going down. To attach the diamond wrap to the bucket, I'm just going to use my favorite thing that I use for my DIYs, and it is my glue gun. You can use other glues, but I find the glue gun work just fine, and it actually lasts for a while. So if you want to use a tougher glue, you can, and I always like to use the adhesive all from Dollar Tree. I find that works very well, but the glue gun was perfect for this project for me. When I was first adding the diamond wrap, I was going with the lines of the bucket, but I noticed that the spaces were uneven, so I decided to add extra lines in between. And this is how the bucket looked once I finished adding all the diamond wrap that I wanted to add all around the bucket. And of course, again, there is the jack-o'-lantern face, but again, I am putting this in a corner of my home, so this will not be shown. The flowers I chose for this arrangement were some maple leaves in the orange color, and also some maple leaves that came with berries, and I found all these at Dollar Tree. And to tone down the orange color, I decided to pick up some of these beige flowers as well to add to my arrangement. Now for the last 2 pumpkin bouquets, I took those orange pumpkins that you can find at Dollar Tree and I painted them white. And for this first one, I'm going to add this floral garden ball that I found at Dollar Tree a while back, and I'm going to add it to the pumpkin. And to do this, I'm going to use a box cutter that I also found at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut a hole in the middle of the top of the pumpkin and put that garden ball inside it to where half of it is inside the pumpkin and the other half is sticking out to make it look like a bouquet. Once I cut the hole to the size that I needed, I just slid the ball in there and kind of adjusted a little bit in and a little bit out. and just kept playing with it until I basically shaped and designed it the way that I wanted it to look. For the last bouquet, I just took another pumpkin and painted it white, and I just took the leftover maple leaves from the first bouquet and just basically stuck them right into the styrofoam pumpkins. And I'm sorry I don't have footage to show you guys this. I thought I was recording, but actually my camera was off, so I apologize. So those were 3 ways that you can make pumpkin fall style bouquets in your home with items from Dollar Tree. I love the way these came out, and I can't wait to share with you guys how I used them to decorate my home in my Clean and Decorate With Me video that is coming soon, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm loving making these DIYs for you guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.